In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Ninja Forms not sending emails in WordPress. First, start inside your WordPress dashboard and open Ninja Forms. Go to the form you're working on and open Emails and Actions. Make sure there's an email action present and that it's enabled. Check that the to address is correct and use a professional sender. For best results, set the from email to an address at your own domain rather than a free mailbox. If you want replies to go to the person who filled out the form, use the reply to field and map it to your form's email field. Save your changes. Next, it's smart to test whether WordPress itself can send email. Install the free plugin called Check and Log Email. Go to Plugins, add a new plugin, search for it, install, and activate. Use its test feature to send an email to an inbox you control. If the test shows as sent and you receive it, basic sending works. If it shows as sent, but you don't receive it, will improve deliverability. If it fails, your site likely needs SMTP. Now set up SMTP so your site sends mail through a trusted mail service. Install and activate WP Mail SMTP by WP Forms. Open its settings and choose a mailer that fits your setup, such as you're hosting SMTP or a reputable transactional service. Enter the details provided by your mail service, the sender address at your domain, the SMTP host, port, encryption type, and authentication. Save, then send a test email from the plugin to confirm delivery. If the test says it's sent but nothing lands in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. If you find the message there, mark it as not spam. Using a domain-based sender with proper SMTP usually prevents this, and avoiding free mail addresses as the from email helps. For consistent inbox placement, verify your domain's DNS records. Add the SPF and DKIM records supplied by your email provider in your domain's DNS manager. Give DNS time to propagate and test again once they're in place. If emails still don't arrive, rule out conflicts. Temporarily deactivate caching or security plugins and any other email-related tools, clear caches, and test again. Re-enable plugins one at a time to find any culprit. Finally, update everything. Make sure WordPress core, Ninja Forms, your theme, and your SMTP plugin are all up to date. Then run one more test submission. With your email action configured, SMTP in place, DNS verified, and conflicts cleared, Ninja Forms should deliver reliably. Thanks for watching and happy troubleshooting.